Hey guys, how's it going? Today I show you how to make a Chipotle Pineapple Sour Cream. Do you know there are many things that piss me off? When people say Chipotle, it's fucked up, that's not right. It's Chipotle. You are not called a jalapeno, jalapenos. Do you understand? Okay. Anyway, I commented. Okay. So you have 1.5 cups of pineapple. And I'm going to use a food processor to make this. Wait. Coño. What the fuck is this? Said Ross. I use your equipment. You give me this? This fucking thing. It looks like it came out from the 60s. Does this even work? What? Whoa! Oh yeah. Coño. Cómete. Oh. Okay. I think I know what I'm doing. Okay. So I take off the lid. Take off the lid. Okay. So I had 1.5 cups pineapple. Yes. Get in there, coño. Come on. Fuck. Okay. So I take this coño, this chile, chipotle. They say there is a Scoville scale. I don't understand. It's crazy to me. Something about capsaicin. I don't understand it either. No es importante. Okay. So, you take this thing, this fucking 60s blender. I don't. What you doing there, Ross? Okay. So we make this. You have this pulse? No? Yeah. Okay, turn on. On? This thing. It's crazy. On. Coño. What is going on with this thing? Coño. Maybe I don't have it. Okay, ahora. No. Coño. I think there may be a ghost. I am not sure. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Come on. That's very fantastical. Come on! Okay. So now I taste this. Need some more chipotle. Oh, maybe not. No, you know, that's perfect. Okay, so I take my sour cream. You don't like the sour cream? Well, fuck you. Okay? You need this. I take 3 cups. Oh, it's very spicy. It's fucking fantastical. Okay, so put the lid back on. I turn the lid the right way. Okay. Coño. The Ross, I kill you for this fucking piece of shit. Piece of shit, man. No, still. Okay, go. Coño. Kick your fucking ass. That's what you get there, Ross. For buying some piece of shit from the fucking 60s. Okay. Why that don't fucking work? Come on. You go. Go. Okay. Coño. Just take this off. Look at that. Coño. Ay, Dios mío. Okay. So. Fuck on my way. Okay. Get this out. Oh, coño. That's perfecto. Okay, so. Just take this off this fucking thing. And I have this bag thing. They call it a piping bag. And I pour in the mixture. Okay? Do you understand? Come on. Come on. Oh yeah. Okay. So, you have that. Okay. See this? I have this bottle. Okay. So I take this bag thing and I turn it upside down. Okay, so it don't leak out. Okay, do you understand? Okay. I'm not left-handed. I hope this works. Okay, so you hold that up, you pinch it off, then you take the bag, you let it out. You let it all out. Do you understand? Into the bottle. Okay. You get to that point, just like, oh yeah, it's too much. Okay, stop. You turn the bag back up, and you throw this away because this pinches mierda. No es importante. Okay. Then you have the Chipotle Sour Cream. And I show you how I use it tomorrow. Maybe. I don't know. Anyway. You look at that Rose's channel. Yonias. You like. You subscribe. You make a comment. Because if you don't, I fucking come and kick your fucking monkey ass all over the place. Okay? Have a good day. Gracias.